sometimes you get really tired and you just need a break. And so here we are on a trip to Tejpur, me with my family. So today we are going to Tejpur and tomorrow we will be on our way to Arunachal. So yeah. So here my brothers are doing a photo shoot with their cow, with their new friend. Lol. Yeah, so now we have reached Tezpur and this is the army guest house behind me. So we are going to stay here for tonight and let's see how the room looks from inside. This is the Brahmaputra river. See, the water level has risen so much. This is for fishing. So this is the temple remains of Bamuni Hills. So let's take a look inside.
এই জায়গাটার নাম হলো বামনি হিলস রুইন্স, টেম্পল রুইন্স। এখানে বিষ্ণুর মন্দির আছিল। टेम्पल ruins.
Temple ruins, and these were all present from 9th century.
Yes. And there was a temple in the center. As you can see, there is a guy standing there. That is the center. And there was a Vishnu temple. And there was four different temples of Shiva on the four corners. Now after many years there was an earthquake and this temple got destroyed, and these are the ruins of the temple. As you can see, there are some sanctum, as you see on the temples on the top, something like that, the designs. Seems like elephant.
Yeah. The rocks here.
Oh, maybe this is the cow that we see next to the Shiva. It has the shape of that cow, the cow hump. There are carvings on the rocks which speaks about the artisans from the 9th century, how talented they were. As you can see, there are cravings of Vishnu in different avatars on the rock.
Look at this. These were all broken by the earthquake, right?
Yeah. It would be such an amazing view from here if the mandir was there still. Let's go on the other side.
Be careful on the stairs.
Yeah, some rocks were moving. The archaeological survey should maintain it properly. The roads are very slippery here, so if you come, make sure that you come on a dry day, because on a rainy day your legs are going to surely slip here and you're gonna fall. You would turn out to be a ruin. So make sure you come on a dry day. And people party here seriously, like the Archaeological Survey of India should seriously maintain it properly. People party here. Make sure you come on a bright sunny day. The view is going to be really amazing from here, because you get to see Brahmaputra on one on the other side.
This is how we have spent our day in Tejpur, and tomorrow we will be moving towards Bharatpong. So let's say what's in Bharatpong for us. So let's continue with the vlog tomorrow.